In the world of superfoods, few can compete with the nutrient density of Moringa Oleifera, often called the drumstick tree or the miracle tree. While it has been used in traditional medicine for centuries in South Asia, modern science is now confirming what our ancestors already knew. Moringa powder is a powerhouse of nutrition. Moringa leaves are one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. When dried and turned into powder, the nutrients become even more concentrated. Research suggests that gram for gram, moringa leaves contain 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 10 times more vitamin A than carrots, 17 times more calcium than milk, 9 times more protein than yogurt, 15 times more potassium than bananas, 25 times more iron than spinach. Lowers blood sugar levels. High blood sugar is a major health concern today. Moringa contains compounds called isothiocyanates that help reduce blood sugar levels. Several studies have shown that taking moringa powder daily can significantly lower fasting blood glucose levels in diabetic patients. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the root cause of many chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Moringa is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds, including quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which help the body fight off inflammation naturally. 3. Lowers cholesterol. High cholesterol is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Moringa has been found to have cholesterol-lowering effects similar to flax seeds and oats, helping to protect your heart health. 4. Boosts immunity and energy. Because it is rich in iron and vitamin A, moringa fights fatigue and weakness. It effectively treats anemia, or iron deficiency, and boosts the immune system, helping your body fight off infections. 5. Improves digestion. The high fiber in moringa helps clean the gut and aids digestion. It has antibacterial properties that can help inhibit the growth of harmful pathogens in the stomach. How to consume moringa powder. Moringa has a strong, earthy taste, similar to matcha or spinach, so it is best to mix it with other flavors. The morning detox drink. Mix 1 teaspoon of moringa powder in a glass of lukewarm water. Add half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey to mask the earthy taste. Best time? Empty stomach in the morning. Green smoothies. Add 1 teaspoon to your regular fruit or vegetable smoothie. The sweetness of bananas or apples hides the moringa flavor perfectly. Sprinkle on food. Sprinkle it over salads, soups, or dal after cooking. Note, avoid cooking moringa powder at high heat as this can destroy some of the vital nutrients. Moringa tea. Steep the powder in hot water, not boiling, for a few minutes and drink it like green tea. Important precautions. While moringa is safe for most people, moderation is key. Start small. Start with half a teaspoon daily to let your stomach adjust, as a high dose initially can cause a laxative effect. Pregnancy. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before consuming it, as bark or root extracts can cause uterine contractions. Though leaf powder is generally considered safer, professional advice is mandatory. Medication. If you are on medication for diabetes or blood pressure, monitor your levels closely, as moringa can lower them further. Moringa is not just a trend. It is a sustainable, natural solution for malnutrition and chronic health issues. By adding just 1 teaspoon of this green powder to your daily routine, you can significantly improve your energy, immunity, and long-term health. Start today and experience the change.